I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to unlock payouts on your Shopify dashboard, follow these steps to get it done smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Make sure you have the correct credentials to access the dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Settings option at the bottom left corner. Click on it to access various account settings. Step 3. Go to Payments. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Review payout settings. Check your payout settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Look for any alerts or notifications that might indicate issues. Sometimes, you may need to verify your identity or banking information. Step 5. Confirm changes. If you made any adjustments, make sure to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. If you don't see this, double check for any errors. If you follow these steps, you should be able to unlock your payouts without any hassle. Good luck, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.